goes big. He comes out, gets the first two guys, and then Gary was a really good super.
He's about as
27-yard gain. On to the fourth quarter we go in Miami. The Dolphins leading 27-10.
he's about as clueless as his dad. That's why Kansas City fired him, because he sucked as a manager, just like his son Aaron. I don't see what I'm looking for here. Alright, doesn't matter. I still got those bags from that place way up in New York where I got all that goofy stuff. Alright, I forget. This must have been the Big H. Because of Mark, I was going around. This one, you never see it anywhere. El Enganoso. El Enganoso. Not sure exactly how to pronounce it. And I got this gigantic kit for $373. It says it's worth $18.48. I think these are either 99 cents or $1. I really don't know. Sometimes I buy the stupidest stuff. For those of you who don't know what this is, they're like those little jars that you get and you dip the stick in the round ring and the bubbles and you blow it. It's just in a different design. Anyway, so yeah, probably about $40 worth of stuff for like maybe 13, 14 bucks. Crazy. Walmart's just give stuff away. Okay, this was the first week I went to Barnes & Noble's and 750 people were there. So I got pissed and I said, I got up there, I was like, alright, I want two of that, two of that, two of that, two of that. I just took like all the Pokemon stuff. Zamazenta. Chilling Reign ETBs. Yeah, it's a total joke.
Last season in the NFL.
Shiny Boltund. V. Shiny Cramorant. V. One thing good about Barnes & Noble though, their prices are cheaper than everybody else's. I'm just very pissed off at them right now for letting those scums come in there and just take over. I'm pissed. Oh, that's right. There was another bag of those locks. Got a whole bunch of pins for 30 cents. App pins. This was a really nice one. $37 lock set. It's listed for $13. I don't know if you could see that. When I scanned it, it was either $3 or $5. Quick set lock. It was Okay. This one was 3. So that means this one here was 5. Because they're right there at the bottom. Double T. I don't know what the hell that means. Oh, double T. It's DBLT. Deadbolt. See? Keyed entry deadbolt. DBLT. I thought it was double T. I'm like, what the hell is double T? Deadbolt. All right. I don't know why. It's all settled. It's nice. And you take it out of the bag, and no matter what you do, it's bouncing around. It won't just settle down in there. I took it out and it was perfectly fine. I don't know. Put it in sideways. Put that in sideways. I don't know. I don't care. I can't believe those locks dirt cheap like that. This was I went out to mechanic to see if they have anything left. And it's that character. I figured these are cheap, grab them. Instead of paying for those big boxes. Yeah, $6.98. Not too bad. Score candy bar for 88 cents. And beef jerky. Teriyaki was on sale for $3.58. So I bought that too. And where was I when I got these? Oh, this was at can't think of the name of the place. This was at Barnes and Nobles. When I was all pissed off. They freaking let those assholes come in and just take over. Mew. I guess it's a new character. Okay, well I knew the one in the middle and I knew that one. But I never heard of Mew before. Lucario was the one that I couldn't think of before. So you got Cochise, Lucario, and Mew. If I had better light, I'd be able to see it better, but the light sucks. Here's the other one. This is what pissed me off. There was only 2 packs. I think it's Series 1. Yep, Series 1 baseball packs. That's all that was left after those scums. The scums took everything. But at least I got some. They must have missed it. Either that or no one wanted them. I don't know. Barnes and Nobles, you've become a disgrace. You let scums come in there. Scumbags. You know who the good guys are, you know who the scums are. I got 2 of these. I almost forgot to grab some of this stuff. Like the blister packs. They're pretty sharp. These Chilling Reign blister packs. I got 2 Snorlaxes because I said, give me whatever. I don't care. Usually I'll look through them, and if there's like a Charizard or a Eevee or a Pikachu or something, I'll grab them. But like those scums. Usually I spend $300, $400, $500. I hardly spend anything here. The most expensive thing were $19.97. Yeah, but even the baseball, they sell those baseballs for like $3.98. These guys sell them for $2.98. So, now what could you do? I was so pissed at Barnes & Noble. I seriously felt like telling him, go fuck yourself, and I'm never coming back. I seriously, that's how pissed I was. Because, I mean, you don't mind. Hey, if someone beats you there and you're in line and you don't get anything, that's tough. And I don't have a problem with that. But these scums, they'll come and they'll bring their sister, daughter, cousin, boyfriend, uncle, aunt, freaking grandfather, and their wife. And they'll say, I want 2 for me, 2 for my wife, 2 for my grandfather, 2 for my... And instead of getting 2 like you're supposed to, Barnes & Nobles will let the asshole get every goddamn mega box. I was first, second, first. Like, I was number 1 5 out of 6 weeks. And the only time I was second was when I came 6 minutes late. I was on the toilet. Not that you care or need to hear that, but that's what happened. So, I got there second. Because it was funny the day that it was that day that I bought this stuff. I said, the guy was in front of me, oh, I'm here first every week. I'm like, I'm not going to argue with you, but no, you weren't. What? It's like, I was here first 5 out of the first 6 weeks they were selling cars. 5 out of the last 6 weeks, I was number 1. I was standing at the door when they opened the door. I was the only person here. I said, and I was first, second, then first. I think I can't remember exactly how it went, but it was definitely like first, second, first. I think I was 5 out of 6 weeks I was first, and 1 week I was second. And I said, honestly, I said, you know, mentally recalling it, I said, I pictured who was there because I remember the guy was all happy that he was first in line. I said, I think it was you, but like he's exaggerating. He's one of those flipper guys, but he's not as big of a dick as that other guy that brings those false family members. But this guy was like, yeah, I was first. I'm like, no, you weren't. I was first. It's like I stood at the door when they unlocked it to let people in. I was first 5 out of 6 weeks. And he was probably first the week I was second. You know, people just love to exaggerate and make stories. Usually I just ignored them. But he was getting all riled up and I was fucking with him. What about this person did this? What about that person did that? I was pretending I was all pissed, and I was just fucking getting them all worked up. It was kind of funny. But, yeah, I didn't like it when he started saying that he was first. All those bullshit. No, you weren't. But, anyways, that's the video. I rambled on for the last couple minutes, so. All right, thanks for watching, guys.